Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of downloading and installing Adobe Photoshop CS6 on your Windows computer. By the end, you'll know not just how to get Photoshop up and running, but also how to navigate the specific steps where many beginners get stuck, like finding the right version and dealing with product key prompts. So if you've been wanting to try your hand at photo editing or graphic design, but weren't sure how to get started, this guide will help you take that first step with confidence. Let's jump right in. First, we need to locate a download for Adobe Photoshop CS6. I'll be honest, searching for software online can feel a bit overwhelming because there are a lot of results, and it's important to be specific to avoid unwanted surprises, like downloading an outdated or even unsafe file. Open your browser, head to Google, and carefully type in something like Adobe Photoshop CS6 download for Windows. The more specific you are, the better your chances of finding exactly what you need. Look for websites that are known for software downloads, and always double-check that the link seems reliable. For example, if you see lots of pop-up ads or sketchy redirects, back out and try another source. Once you've found a trustworthy site, go ahead and download the installer file. Depending on your internet speed, this part might take a few moments. The file isn't tiny. I recommend downloading to a spot you can easily find later, like your desktop or your downloads folder, so you don't accidentally lose track of it. After the download finishes, it's time to open up the downloaded folder. Just find the installer file, often labeled setup.exe or something similar, and give it a double click. You'll probably be greeted with a familiar installation window. From here, the process is pretty straightforward. Just follow the prompts, proceed through each step, and agree to Adobe's license terms when asked. It's always good to read through these, even if just quickly, so you know what you're agreeing to. Now, here's the part that trips up a lot of people. You'll likely be asked for a product key. This is Adobe's way of ensuring you're using a genuine copy of their software. If you purchased Photoshop CS6, you should have received a product key either in your email or on the receipt. But if you're just trying it out or you don't have a key, here's what you can do. Pause for a moment and search online for Photoshop CS6 free product key. You can sometimes find these shared in forums or even in certain YouTube videos. Just be careful and avoid any questionable offers. Some sites may claim to offer free keys, but can actually be malicious. I once found a legitimate key in a YouTube video description, so that's an option you might want to explore too. This part can take a bit of digging, but don't get discouraged if it doesn't work out right away. When you're ready, enter the product key into the installer prompt. If the setup asks for the key again later on, just repeat the same process. You can always come back and look for a different key if the first one doesn't work. Sometimes keys are region-specific or might have been used up, so having patience really helps. After you enter the correct key, the installer will finish up the process. It can sometimes take a few extra minutes as the installation wraps up, so just sit back and relax. When everything's done, you'll be able to launch Photoshop CS6 from your desktop, ready to start editing. And there you have it. The full journey from download to installation. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. If you have any questions, run into problems, or just want to share your own experience with Photoshop CS6, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.